And now, once again, one more of these. Looking up Main Street to the west, apparently many places are still boarded up. Including Barry's place. When will we see those bubbles again? Yep, still waiting for those bubbles. But this place seems so empty without Barry here. He said it might be a while before he's totally cleaned up. He had a foot of mud in his basement, he said, in the basement of this place. And some places boarded up on the south side of the road. And some stores on the north side that aren't open yet. Two serious floods, 2 years in a row. And go figure. But here's the sad thing. I found out that they're going to tear down Kaplan's department store because my suspicion is the foundation was undermined. Tiber Creek flows beneath those buildings there on the south side of the road, thus undermining the foundations. I believe it and a couple adjacent buildings had to be torn down. What a shame. History having to be erased thanks to a flood. They'll be replaced by a park. That's the information that I received last week. Yeah, the place appears to be a mess on the inside. Shame it's got to be torn down.
On the border between Ellicott City and Columbia. Oh, okay.
And they stand there selling things to raise some restoration money. Good idea. Get your t-shirts and produce. But beyond there, 300-million-year-old rock formation, there are some places that open rather quickly. I guess the higher up you go, the less damage there is, or was. Those open signs are good signs. Great, these places are open again. Gotta get the rest of the places open. But across the street, another old store, Taylor's Furniture Store. Hopefully they'll be around for a bit longer. But today, sidewalk sales are a good idea. And back at our souvenir/produce stand again. All kinds of treats here. Let's hope these folks can recover. Yep, all kinds of treats. Oh, a frog on a bike, okay.
He knows frogs. YouTube is full frog 19.
Jeez.
All over the sand.
Yeah, I know, that's me. A shopping frog. That can't be me.
That's the girl with the lipstick. I see in a bag. Cool.
Oh, how's recovery going, by the way? How's the recovery effort going?
Oh, good.
Pretty
We're
well?
coming back in October.
In October? Oh, great, great.
He likes to know when we missed some. I saw on TV.
And there's Kaplan's again. Shame it's got to be torn down, along with a couple adjacent buildings. History being lost, piece by piece. And again, Main Street, which, you guessed it, the original National Pike, from Baltimore to wherever. Still hope to see these places back open again soon. When those buildings are torn down, they'll be replaced by a park like this one. In fact, here there was an historic building that sank to the mid-80s. An explosion tore the foundation apart, and they had to tear that down. So something historic once sat here. But in the mid-80s, it blew itself up somehow. I'm looking down at a now very placid Tiber Creek, flowing beneath the buildings and undermining their foundation. I guess a wall of water must hit that building there. But still, bring back those bubbles. I'm missing Barry the Bubble Man over there. And again, what might be the world's oldest train station. But there's still a ways to go yet before total restoration, unfortunately. These places up the hill bounce back a bit quicker because they're higher up and didn't get as much flood damage as it did down there. All kinds of ins and outs to this place. And now west on Main Street, ascending out of EC. Still some cleanup work to be done, but of course here we're higher up, and these places didn't have as much damage. They're the first to open, the wine bin, and again the old Clampett place. But that road's still closed though, the shortcut out. But up here we're beyond the historic district. Obviously. So here's your latest EC update for you. But if I make another one, that'll be the latest, whatever. Bring more updates as things are updated. See you again from EC, and stay EC strong. up here, Cancer Sucks Lane. How about that?